Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time here in Sutton, Massachusetts at both Sutton Elementary and the Simonian Center for Early Learning. All grades today, K through 5, students and staff. And I'm in the hallway right now, and it's such an amazing moment for me because we had so many individuals come up to me with the M on their hand, remembering that M stood for miracle, right? The lines in each of our hands, and an upside down W for worthy. To remember that we're all worthy of love, to both receive it and to give it, and that we have to truly believe that we deserve love, right? That we deserve to not only be treated kindly, but that once we feel that love, once we receive it, now we can go and share that with someone else. And so this ties into the shirt that I'm wearing too, Need Human Kindness, that we have the peace sign, which is inside the heart, and that's where peace has to start, right? And then once it does, now it's up to us to go and give that kindness to someone else by how we choose to treat them. But again, being in their hallway right here, kind of in the lobby area near their main office from Sutton Elementary, the two schools are connected. They have their Choose to Be Kind pledge right on the wall, but everybody signed it here. It says, I promise to choose to be kind, spread kindness wherever and whenever possible. And so the sub-theme of today's focus being needing human kindness and how desperately this planet needs it. It's so cool that they continue to reinforce this throughout their building. They also have this right here on the mural behind me, choose to be nice. And if we make our way over to the main part of the lobby, right past Cat in the Hat, right? We have this other signage here that says choose to be nice. And so this is a choice. It's always about choosing love, and that's why I was so inspired today, because all these students that at a young age are choosing kindness, are choosing compassion, are choosing respect, are seeing the need to even be respectful in the first place. So the primary focus being on the word diversity, that important theme as well. The word diversity being our differences. It could be on the inside, what we're good at, the things that we're not good at, our skills, our abilities, our gifts. We have to honor all of that. But then it's also the diversity on the outside. So it could be how someone's born, right? If they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, different, whatever it is, their different background, different language, where they were born, all those things, but we still choose to include. And I was super motivated to hear so many students when I got to stay for all the lunches as well with the students tell me that, this student is new to their school, or this student's new to their school, but yet they're including them. And even at lunch today too, one girl that came up to me and said she really only had about one friend, and she was kind of down, almost in tears, but a couple girls came over and said, hey, do you want to sit with us? That they saw the need, that we have to respect everybody, that sometimes, yes, we have judgments, and that's okay, but now we get past those judgments by how we choose to treat not only ourselves, but then other people around us. Choose to be nice, choose to be kind, right, like it says right here. So again, just an incredible day with everyone here. You guys are so beautiful. You guys touch my heart every time. I know you're going to keep changing the world at such a young age and making a difference, because you already touched my heart. So keep sharing that love wherever you go. As always, make sure to hit the notification bell to get future updates of videos just like this one. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button that you'll see pop up on the screen here, along with checking out my website, mrpeace.org, for more information on my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. And make sure to check out the amazing playlist above with some other great clips on what we're trying to do across this nation to spread kindness. Much love. Peace.